It's the best hour of the week for patients at Boston Healthcare for the Homeless program.
Makes me forget about my injuries for a while, and they're just so sweet. They make everybody happy.
They are the dogs from BMC Healing Pups, Boston Medical Center's in-house pet therapy program.
They don't care where you've been or what you've done or how you've gotten to where you are in life. They just want to give some love.
Co-founder Cheryl Katzenek, BMC's Director of Patient Advocacy and Domestic Violence Program, says we can all learn something from that.
I like to say the dogs help to humanize us.
Controlling this joyous chaos is a little like herding cats. But these are all certified therapy or certified assistance dogs, including Cheryl's black lab, Riley.
It is so humbling to see her and the other dogs in action. All we do is make the introduction, they do the rest.
Loving, trusting, and playful, these visitors are good medicine.
The dogs are also an entree into people's stories, which I think is wonderful. I think this is a population that a lot of people don't stop and ask about their stories. And so if you say to somebody, oh, did you grow up with animals? They just open up to you.
Nick loves dogs.
His name's Sullivan Fitzgerald, and I'm Sullivan, too.
The death of his 14-year-old shepherd is a heartache far worse than the nerve damage in his wrist. He says this brightens his day.
Puts you in a whole nother world because they're so friendly, and it makes you forget what's going on in life, like your sickness or your illness, or they're just there for you. They're loyal, they love it. I just love everything about dogs.
Healing Pups co-founder Michael Hurley still marvels at the difference they make.
I remember walking into a room thinking, why are they going to want to see a stranger's dog?
He found out the day of the marathon bombings, when his first therapy dog, Dexter, had been on the job just 4 days. They wound up visiting survivors, families, and staff every day for weeks.
And to see someone smile, like after what they just went through, and be like, can they come back?
He says the pups, including his rescued bulldog Memphis, are badge-wearing, business card-holding hospital mascots. Such a draw that the biggest challenge is getting anywhere on time, and Memphis is in no hurry.
It takes an hour for him to get almost anywhere.
We might not be able to get him off this chair.
No, I think your hand is gone.
Sully is a showman. Blue loves treats. Zara's high energy. And Nellie, the well-dressed Chihuahua, is a calming presence.
I'm always here, every Thursday.
Nellie is Anne's favorite, the kind of dog she'd have if she could.
This really fills a void.
Yeah, it does. It does. It makes me so happy. Yeah. Warms my heart.
The dogs are instant community.
Dan Maloney, manager of service programs, says these visits really do help heal.
Well, a patient that is feeling less stressed, that is had a chance to interact positively with people and with the dogs, is a lot more likely to interact productively with their doctor, with their nurse, and that leads directly to better health outcomes.
The sense of wellness goes both ways.
I'm proud of the dogs, what they can do, but it also makes me feel like I'm actually doing something. I'm an engineer. I don't do patient care, but I'm actually doing patient care. I'm doing patient care with these dogs.
Who are also like family. The group recently threw a retirement party for Riley and Maestro, the first 2 dogs in the program. Now there are 17, a posse of positivity that's still growing.